The tutorial of snow mowing is here. Make petals first. Take a blue twist stick and fold it in half. Look at my method. Twist it twice. Give him 2 more turns here to fix it. And then it goes back. And you make a flower petal. Now cut off a stick. 1 tail is enough. Make another slice. Look at the method. Take the length of a knuckle. Round the edges. Adjust the petals to it. A flower needs 6 petals like this. You can use a splint to clip the petals flat. Now to make stamens. Take a yellow twist stick. Fold in half like this. Turn it a little when folding. Make it form a circle shape. Fold 3. It's about the length of a fingernail. Let's put some glue in the middle of this stamen. Pinch it neatly at the bottom, pinch it tightly. With this thin flower core, fold it in half. Then stick it on the outside of this yellow one. Keep their height consistent. There's no trick here. And I'm just going to let it go. Be careful not to hit too much glue. Just put a little glue under that. Next, glue the blue petal. Stick in a suitable position. All the flower cores are exposed. Notice that each petal is the same height. If the root is too thick when sticking, you can bake it with a lighter. Six petals if too crowded. There can be a misalignment of the petals. The stamens also spread out a little. Now such a flower is ready. The roots go down by themselves and wrap the floral tape around them. Today's tutorial is over. See you next time.